Like and subscribe to our channel. Doodle with Dottie.
This is an iPhone. We use it to call our friends, talk to family, and take pictures. It has a big screen, no buttons, and a small camera on the back. Phones help us learn, play, and stay connected.